In this video, I am going to discussing about what is AWS, what are the basic terminologies you need to remember while you are working with AWS, what AWS mainly offers. So these three things I will cover in this video. So we'll see what is AWS. Before going to the explanation of AWS, we'll see the what is the so what it stands for. Like AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It is nothing but it's a collection of web services. Okay, it is offered by using this URL. That means by using this URL, that AWS will provide all the services what you needed. Like that is called the definition of AWS simply. And this AWS is located in 26 geographical regions. So I will show you by using AWS Global Infrastructure Map. And see, just go to the Google and search for AWS Global Infrastructure Map. Okay, just search for that. You will get it like this. Okay, open that link, new tab. Just scroll down. So we'll get it. Yeah. See, this is called Global Infrastructure Map. So as I said, so it has 26 regions, right? We'll discuss what is a region, what is a data center, what is availability zone incoming. Okay, and don't worry about that. The technical jargons will discuss further. Okay, and see, when you see here, it is showing us 26 regions this AWS is located. In coming to India, Mumbai it is located, and Hyderabad in coming soon. So whenever see this one, so blue color mark indicates regions and this orange color mark indicates that means coming soon. And going with this explanation, so read this. The AWS cloud spans 84 availability zones. We'll discuss this one after, okay? Within 26 geographical regions across the world, that means around the world. So what it means, so across the world, we have 26 regions, right? So in that region, so we have 84 availability zones, okay? And so with the announcement, so that AWS people plan for to increase their infrastructure in 24 more availability zone, and so 8 or more availability regions, that AWS regions. Okay, so these are the countries what they are planning to increase their infrastructure. Okay, this is all about global infrastructure map. We'll discuss further. And see, it offers nearly 200 services. This AWS offer nearly 200 services. So some of them are listed here, like EC2. We have a service like for storage purpose. We have S3, SNS, SQS. So this is simple notification service, simple queuing service. So we'll understand one by one later. So this is a brief introduction about AWS. Okay. So these are the terminologies what you have need to remember, like, so while you are working with the AWS. Okay, first the technical word is data center. So what it means, so we so this collection of servers, right? So we need to this collection of servers, so that servers we place in one particular place, right? So that we call it as, and that maybe that storage, that servers and everything that they are storing in one particular place, right? That place we call it as a data center. Okay, data center means it's nothing but a collection of servers, storages, whatever the hardware is there, so they are collecting and they are placing in one particular place, right? That we call it as a data center. So this is a simple definition of data center. And coming to availability zone, and it is nothing but availability zone is nothing but it's a collection of one or more data center. Okay, we call it as an availability zone. You know already, right? What is a data center? It's nothing but a collection of two, like one or more data center. We call it as an availability zone. And going with the region means, so like each region has many availability zones. Like so we have that, like minimum we have two availability zones and maximum till six. Okay, this is the definition of a region. So these are all are interrelated. Like, so when you see this region availability zone, you got it right, this availability zone. So this is the definition of it. That means one or more data center, you know already. So data center, right? So these are all are interconnected. And coming to edge locations, so what is been edge location means, like for example, so if you want to send the information to the client, like you need to increase the speed of that like passing that data to the particular persons, like, right? So that will increases the fast, like speed up the data by using this edge locations only. This Amazon has 216, that AWS has 216 edge locations across the world. And so it is helpful for like content delivery to end users with low latency. Low latency means high speed. So high latency means like more latency means like so less speed. So these are all the technical jargons you need to remember while you are working with AWS. And what it mainly offers, like if you are working with AWS, so these are the main things what AWS offers, like availability, like whatever you need is the hardware, that may be storage, like if you want thousands of servers, so it will provide only. So there is no any shortage of storage or availability, that there is no any shortage of like a databases like that we call it as an availability. So this AWS offers availability. Okay, that means you don't need to take care about, like you need to bother about that shortage. Okay, they will provide like whatever you need. And coming to scalability, like consider one example. So you started one website, so initially the people are very less, right? So after a few days, definitely the users of your website maybe increases, right? So at that time you need to scale up your servers to handle those requests, right? So that is called scale up, right? So maybe after some like after a few days, maybe your usage of website of your website, so maybe decreases, right? So at that time you need to scale down your servers. That means decreasing your number of servers, right? So that increasing, that decreasing, so we call it as scalability. Like, right, we have a concept in AWS, so we'll discuss while we are discussing with EC2. Okay, that is the concept of scalability. And coming to pay as you go, yes, cloud follows the pay as you go model, as we already discussed in earlier videos about cloud, right? So pay as you go pricing, whatever you are using that, so you need to pay for that only. You don't need to pay like apart from that, right? That we call it as an pay as you go model, right? So as of now, what I have covered is what is AWS. Like, just I'm giving the overview on this, just what is AWS, what are the basic terminologies we use while you are working with AWS, and what AWS mainly offers. In future, in coming video, I am going to discussing about EC2. Thank you. Hope you like the video, share with your friends, and thank you so much. Subscribe our channel.